So I'm going to make broccoli rabe, or broccoli di rape, which is a really beautiful, bitter green, but delicious. There are two different ways you can do this. I'm going to cut off the bottoms here. Either fry them in the pan, just like this, with oil and garlic, or you can blanch them first, sort of boil them or steam them for a little bit first, and then do them in the pan, which is my preference. So I have water boiling here, and I'm going to pop these in. There's salt in that water, too. And we're just going to let that just steam for a bit and soften up. In the meantime, I'm going to chop up a little garlic and put some oil in the pan. You can also add pepperoncini to this if you'd like, or you can add red pepper flakes afterwards. But really, you just need a little bit of sliced garlic. You could do it fine. I don't like that, but that's me. Olive oil. Okay, so this has been boiling away for about 5 minutes. I'm going to strain that. And then, oh, it smells really good. And then it's going to go right into here, into the oil. We're going to fry that, toss that up a little bit. And just give it a good toss. And you can add a little bit of lemon to it. And that's it. Just saute it for a little bit. Add pepperoncino if you want. Add a little lemon. Add salt and extra olive oil if that's your fancy. And that's that. Really good. It's really a great side dish. Do it with a little lemon. There you go. Lovely.